Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to create stunning infographics and illustrations using ChatGPT. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or a business owner, visual elements like infographics and illustrations can enhance your message and engage your audience. And if you're looking for additional prompts or resources, make sure to check out the pinned comment below. Alright, let's get started. First up, let's dive into infographics. They're one of the best ways to convey information quickly and clearly. Whether it's for a blog post, a social media update, or even a business presentation, infographics make complex data accessible and engaging. All right, let's get started with a simple example. We're going to ask ChatGPT to generate an infographic that I'll be putting together through a prompt right here. So, yeah. And this explains the benefits of using AI in content creation. Now, the trick to getting the best results is to be as specific as possible in your prompt, right here. And now, let's send this over. Here we go. And then the processing begins. So this should only take a few moments from then on. And here we go. And yeah, here it is. This should only take so much quick minutes and such. And yeah, here's the result. As you can see, the infographic is clean, modern, and really captures the essence of the message we wanted to convey. Pretty helpful, huh? Look, the text might be janky, but you can use this as like a guide or like a structure to put in your own or your researched information through the section right here the ChatGPT had generated for you. Now, let's move on to something a bit more intricate. Crafting detailed illustrations. Illustrations can really bring your content to life, whether it's for a website, a social media post, or even a marketing campaign. So let's get into it. I'm thinking of an illustration which I'll be putting through a prompt like so. An illustration that captures a futuristic cityscape, just like I stated here. Imagine flying cars, green energy sources, and advanced architecture that are all coming together in a vibrant scene. As you can see, I added a bit more detail just to be specific, like a vibrant color palette. And yeah, so let's send this over. All right, so once it's sent, now let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. This is where the magic happens. And voila! See? Look at that! ChatGPT has generated a stunning illustration that's both imaginative and packed with detail, just as I stated through the prompt. Impressive, huh? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Finally, let's dive into the world of data visualization. These are essential tools for transforming complex data into something that's easy to understand at a glance. The best part? You don't need advanced graphic design skills to create something stunning with ChatGPT. For this example, let's put together a prompt right here, then ask ChatGPT to generate, like, let's say, a bar chart that compares the monthly growth of subscribers for a YouTube channel over the past year. So the goal is to create a chart that's not only accurate, but also visually appealing. So here it is for additional detail right here. See? Now, let's send this over. Now, let's give it a moment to work its magic. So it kind of take a while here. And here it is. This bar chart does exactly what we asked for. It clearly compares the monthly subscriber growth. So here it is using different colors for each month and includes clear labels for easy interpretation. Pretty cool, huh? And there you have it. With the right prompts, you can generate stunning visuals that enhance your content and engage your audience.